The ocean depths, a realm of perpetual darkness and immense pressure, have always captivated the human imagination. These depths are not just a void of emptiness, but a frontier of endless possibilities and mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Amongst these watery abysses lies a place of profound mystery and allure, the Mariana Trench. This trench is more than just a geographical feature. It is a symbol of the unknown, a place where the limits of human exploration are constantly tested. This crescent-shaped scar on the Pacific Ocean floor plunges deeper than Mount Everest is tall, representing the most profound point on our planet. To put it into perspective, if Mount Everest were placed into the trench, its peak would still be over a mile underwater. The Mariana Trench, a testament to the immense forces shaping our planet, is a site of ongoing geological activity. This activity is a constant reminder of the dynamic nature of Earth's crust, where colossal forces are at play. It marks the collision point of two tectonic plates, where one plate plunges beneath the other in a process called subduction. This process is not only responsible for the trench's formation but also for the creation of some of the most powerful earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on Earth. This ongoing geological ballet creates a dynamic environment punctuated by earthquakes and volcanic activity. These natural events shape the landscape of the trench, constantly altering its topography and creating new habitats for life. The extreme conditions of the Mariana Trench, crushing pressure, perpetual darkness, and frigid temperatures might suggest a desolate and barren wasteland. However, these harsh conditions have also led to the development of unique adaptations in the organisms that call this place home. Yet, life, in all its tenacity and adaptability, has found a foothold even in this most extreme of environments. From microscopic organisms to larger, more complex creatures, life in the trench is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of living beings. The creatures inhabiting this alien world are unlike anything found elsewhere on Earth, sculpted by evolution to thrive in a place where survival itself seems improbable. These organisms have developed extraordinary features, such as bioluminescence and unique metabolic processes, to cope with the extreme conditions. Exploring the Mariana Trench is not merely an exercise in scientific curiosity. It is a journey into the heart of our planet's mysteries, revealing the resilience of life and the interconnectedness of our world. Each expedition uncovers new species and phenomena, expanding our understanding of the limits of life and the processes that govern our planet. The trench serves as a natural laboratory, offering insights into the origins of life and the potential for life on other planets. At the southern end of the Mariana Trench lies a zone of superlatives, the Challenger Deep. This is the deepest known point in the Earth's seabed, a place that has fascinated scientists and explorers for decades. This abyss, named after the HMS Challenger, the ship that first sounded its depths in 1875, plunges to a staggering depth of approximately 10,900 meters, or 35,760 feet. The HMS Challenger's expedition marked a significant milestone in oceanography, revealing the profound mysteries of the deep sea. To put this depth into perspective, if Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth, were placed at the bottom of the Challenger Deep, its peak would still be submerged over 2,000 meters, or 6,560 feet, below sea level. This comparison highlights the immense scale of the ocean's depths, dwarfing even the tallest mountains. The pressure at this depth is unimaginable, over 1,000 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level. This extreme pressure is a result of the immense weight of the water column above, creating an environment that is both hostile and fascinating. This crushing pressure, equivalent to having the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on every square inch of your body, would seem to preclude the possibility of life as we know it. The conditions are so extreme that they challenge our understanding of biology and the limits of life. Yet, against all odds, life persists. In the darkness and crushing pressure of the Challenger Deep, a variety of organisms have found ways to survive and even thrive. The Challenger Deep, far from being a sterile void, teems with a surprising diversity of life forms, each uniquely adapted to thrive in this extreme environment. These adaptations include bioluminescence, specialized pressure-resistant structures, and unique feeding mechanisms. These creatures, shaped by the relentless forces of evolution, provide a glimpse into the boundless adaptability of life and the potential for life to exist in even the most seemingly inhospitable corners of our universe. The study of these organisms not only expands our knowledge of biology, but also fuels our imagination about the possibilities of life beyond Earth. Advances in technology have allowed us to explore these depths more thoroughly than ever before. Submersibles and remotely operated vehicles have provided unprecedented access to this hidden world, revealing its secrets and expanding our understanding of the deep sea. Scientists continue to study samples from the Challenger Deep, uncovering new species and gaining insights into the biochemical processes that enable life to endure such extreme conditions. Each discovery adds a piece to the puzzle of how life can adapt to the most challenging environments. As we look to the future, the exploration of the Challenger Deep and other deep-sea environments will undoubtedly yield more groundbreaking discoveries. These missions not only enhance our understanding of Earth's oceans, but also prepare us for the exploration of other ocean worlds in our solar system, such as the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. The Challenger Deep stands as a testament to the enduring human spirit of exploration and curiosity. It reminds us that there are still vast, uncharted territories on our own planet, waiting to be discovered and understood. The mysteries of the deep sea continue to inspire and challenge us, pushing the boundaries of science and exploration. The Mariana Trench, shrouded in perpetual darkness, presents a unique set of challenges to its inhabitants. This underwater canyon, the deepest part of the world's oceans, is a place where sunlight never penetrates, creating an environment that is both mysterious and hostile. The absence of sunlight, the primary source of energy for most life on Earth, means that life in the trench must rely on alternative sources of sustenance. Without the energy from the sun, photosynthesis is impossible, forcing organisms to find other ways to survive in this dark abyss. The creatures of the deep have adapted to this energy-scarce environment by relying on chemosynthesis, a process where bacteria convert chemicals released from hydrothermal vents into energy. These bacteria form the base of the food chain, supporting a variety of life forms that have evolved to thrive in these extreme conditions. These vents, spewing superheated mineral-rich water from the Earth's interior, create oases of life in the otherwise barren depths. Around these vents, a diverse array of organisms, from giant tube worms to unique species of fish, have found a way to flourish. The extreme pressure, exceeding 1,000 times that at sea level, poses another significant challenge. This immense pressure would crush most terrestrial organisms, but deep-sea creatures have evolved to withstand it. Organisms in the trench have evolved unique adaptations, such as flexible cell membranes and proteins that function optimally under high pressure, to withstand this crushing force. These adaptations are crucial for their survival in an environment where the pressure is relentless and unyielding. The scarcity of food and the constant darkness have also shaped the evolution of these deep-sea denizens. In a world where food is scarce, many organisms have developed slow metabolisms and efficient ways to capture and store energy. Many creatures have developed bioluminescence, the ability to produce their own light, which they use for attracting prey, finding mates, and navigating the abyssal darkness. This remarkable adaptation not only illuminates their surroundings, but also plays a crucial role in their survival strategy in the deep, dark ocean. Section 4. Anglerfish, luring in the darkness. Perhaps the most iconic denizen of the deep is the anglerfish, a creature that embodies the alien nature of life in the Mariana Trench. The female anglerfish, sporting a grotesque yet strangely beautiful appearance, possesses a bioluminescent lure dangling from a modified dorsal spine. This lure, resembling a fishing rod with a glowing bait, serves to entice prey in the pitch-black depths. Unsuspecting creatures drawn to the light in the otherwise desolate darkness become easy targets for the anglerfish's gaping maw and razor-sharp teeth. The male anglerfish, dwarfed by the female, lives a parasitic existence. Upon encountering a female, the male latches onto her body, fusing its tissues with hers and eventually losing its eyes and most internal organs, becoming little more than a sperm-producing appendage. This bizarre reproductive strategy ensures the continuation of their species in the vast and sparsely populated abyss. Section 5. Giant amoeba, single-celled giants of the deep. In the depths of the Mariana Trench, even single-celled organisms can reach gargantuan proportions. The xenophyophores, a type of giant amoeba, are among the largest known single-celled organisms, measuring up to 10 centimeters or 4 inches in diameter. These amoebas, resembling flattened discs or blobs of sediment, are thought to feed on bacteria and other microorganisms found in the sediment. Their immense size, unusual for single-celled organisms, is a testament to the unique evolutionary pressures of the deep-sea environment. Xenophyophores are also remarkably tolerant of heavy metals and other pollutants, accumulating these toxins in their bodies. This ability makes them potentially valuable subjects for studying the effects of pollution on deep-sea ecosystems. Section 6. Deep-sea dragonfish, fierce predators of the abyss. The deep-sea dragonfish, a creature seemingly ripped from the pages of a science fiction novel, embodies the predatory prowess of life in the Mariana Trench. These elongated serpentine fish, sporting oversized jaws filled with razor-sharp teeth, are formidable hunters of the abyss. Dragonfish have evolved a unique adaptation to enhance their hunting efficiency in the darkness, red bioluminescence. Unlike most bioluminescent organisms which produce blue or green light, dragonfish emit a faint red glow. This red light is invisible to most deep-sea creatures, which have lost the ability to see red light due to its scarcity in the deep.